Today we learn to create a name or word art design. The goal is to transform a name or word into a visually exciting piece of art by creatively designing each letter. We'll use stencils or pre-cut letters as a base, and then embellish them with colors, patterns, and dynamic shapes. Art supplies: stencils or pre-cut letters, A to Z stencils in various sizes, or a pre-cut A to Z letter set. Good quality paper that can handle colored pencils and markers. Pencil for drafting. Use colored marker to trace outlines, coloring and adding embellishments or patterns on it. Decide on the name you want to design. On a piece of paper, use your stencils or pre-cut letters to arrange the name. Don't just line them up straight. Experiment with overlapping letters, tilting letters at different angles, varying the spacing between letters, and making some letters larger or smaller. Think about the overall shape of the name. Do you want it to be horizontal, vertical, curved, or a more abstract shape? Now it's time to get creative. Draw lines, curves, and shapes that flow around and through the letters. Once you're happy with your pencil sketch, use a Sharpie or fine line marker to outline the letters and the shapes you've added. Add patterns. Within the letters and shapes, add patterns using your Sharpie or fine line marker. You can try stripes, whether they're straight, wavy, or zigzag. Dots of various sizes, circles, swirls, geometric patterns like squares, triangles, diamonds, and even doodles with small repetitive designs. Colored pencils layering. Start with light layers of color and gradually build up to darker, richer tones. You can also use fine tip markers to add small details and patterns on top of the colored areas. Add embellishments if you like. If desired, add glitter, metallic pens, or other embellishments to make your artwork even more unique and eye-catching. Take a step back and look at your artwork. Make any final adjustments or corrections. If you like this name art project, please comment, like, and share with friends to learn together. Thanks for watching.